In the constantly evolving field of HR, I excel at addressing challenges, sharing best practices, and promoting a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Hi, I'm Carol Anthony. I'm excited to introduce myself as a dedicated HR programs trainer. With over 20 years of HR experience and many years of training and coaching, I constantly deliver valuable insights. On June the 27th, I will conduct a free training session on HR Essentials. This will cover crucial HR functions such as recruitment strategies, employee relations, training methodologies, legal compliance, and data privacy protocols. I invite you to join me in my webinar session, HR Essentials Unleashed, at the National Training Week. See you there.